Hello, today I'm gonna show you how you can change your height in Roblox. Don't forget to subscribe and like before we begin. Okay, let's dive in. So first, go ahead and open your Roblox, and then tap your profile, like this. Scroll down and then tap one of these that you're currently wearing. So for example, I'm gonna tap this t-shirt right here, and then press this green button here, and then just press customize. And once you're here, just go over to the head and body section, and then scroll to the right, and then click the build option. And here you can see the body type. You can drag this little circle right here to change your body type to your preference. So for now, I'm just gonna change it to this one right here. So yeah, that's basically it. I hope this one helps. See you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.